Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've uploaded, but I figured a little 2-minute tutorial on how to install a carbon fiber gear surround for your R33 Skyline. Should work for a GTR and GTST model with no problem. And I'll show you a little issue I ran into and how I solved it. So I will say you will need to pre-drill these little slots here. Obviously you don't want to go too deep or you'll end up drilling through to the other side. And I have two bolts, two screws holding it in place. And this is the drill bit that I used. I went ahead and used some electrical tape after comparing it with the screw that I'll be installing. Very, very short screws because I did not want any issues of it popping through. Here's a tiny little screw in question. I used a little washer to go ahead and keep the shifter boot in place as well. And here I was able to keep my Nismo shift pattern on it. It was kind of retro, so I wanted to keep it. But this was the result. The fabric spread out real easily, but I did make a mistake in making this hole a little too big. So my solution for that was going to be double-sided tape. I couldn't find 3M, so I figured I'd give Loctite a try. So now it's in the car. Went ahead and installed one bolt, or screw, seeing how it lined up before I tighten the other one. I'm going to get ready to install the shifter as well. And here's the shifter installed. It actually looks really good. Fits perfectly aligned, and it's a nice, perfect fit for the rest of the console. But this is how you install it. Thanks for watching.